ready to reclaim your Snapchat privacy and move back to a more personal way of connecting. First, open your Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Once on your profile, look for the gear icon. Usually in the top right, tap it to access your account settings. In the settings menu, scroll down until you find the Privacy Controls section. Within Privacy Controls, the first option you'll likely see is Contact Me. Tap on that. Here's where you regain control under Who Can Contact Me. Make sure you select My Friends or an option that restricts it to people you've approved. This ensures only your confirmed friends can send you snaps and chats, bringing back that exclusive feel. Next, let's tackle who sees your stories. Go back to the main settings menu and find View My Story. Tap on View My Story. Similar to contacting you, you'll want to change this setting. Select My Friends or Custom to choose specific friends. This prevents your public story from being visible to everyone. This immediately restricts visibility, ensuring your updates are shared with your chosen circle. Finally, to confirm your account is no longer public, back out of the settings, you might see your public profile status change or disappear from view, indicating you're now private. And that's it. You've successfully reverted your Snapchat account to private, enjoying a more controlled and personal communication environment.